front of me is Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to choose Safety and Emergency. Then choose Emergency Contacts. Tap on Change Settings and make sure this switcher next to Show Unlocked is enabled. Without it, your contacts won't be accessible from locked screen, so be sure it's on. And then add your contacts by tapping on Add Contact and tapping on the one you wanna add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Now to manage any of those contacts, use those three dots next to the chosen one. Move it up, move it down, or remove it from Emergency Contact List. Either way, when your list was successfully established, go back and check out if it worked. To do that, close your display, power it on, swipe up and hit Emergency Call. Then hold this blue icon and swipe it to the right to see your emergency numbers. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!